In this guide, you'll learn how to customize camera control on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Camera. Then select Camera Control. By default, a single click of the Camera Control button opens the camera app, but you can change this to double click if you want to avoid opening it accidentally. To access camera settings like zoom and depth directly from Camera Control, turn on Camera Adjustments. Then tap Customize to personalize how you interact with these controls. Here, you can choose whether the settings overlay appears with a light press, a wipe, or both. You can also rearrange the overlay by dragging items into your preferred order or hide settings entirely by tapping the check mark next to them. Once you are done, press the camera control button at the side of your iPhone to open the camera app and see your customized controls in action, giving you a faster, more personalized camera experience every time you take a photo or video. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.